provisions provisioning service.exe stop working in Windows 10 and 11. How to fix? So guys, you Windows R and type ms config and then enter. Okay, then click to boot and check. Click to save boot and then apply and then okay. So you can click also restart now or restart. Okay, so you please save your all file. So I clicking restart. Actually safe mode is on, and click to file manager, go to control panel. So this is shortcut and uninstall. Oh sorry, click to file manager, right click to PC, more option, driver manage. You can search directly driver management. Okay, driver management. So guys, you uninstall your TMT driver. So you uninstall TMT. So security insecurity showing that, I think. Otherwise security. So you just uninstall and then go to Windows R, uninstall and then go to Windows R and type services and restart TMT service. You entered T. So actually in my PC TMT service is not enabled, so you press and right click choice and then start, otherwise restart. Okay, and okay guys, you check it. If you have any issue, please comment me, I will support you. Okay.